So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is just Felix08, and in today's video I wanna go and show you some beautiful place where we have a waterfall falling from a cliff downwards here in the village. I hope you come with me along. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, thank you for my subscribers, beautiful subscribers, for always supporting me, and big shout out to all those who are willing to help me get to achieve my dreams of creating content. Yeah, so guys, come with me. To my fans, my subscribers, thank you so much. You're great. May God bless you. And if you're new and you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for helping me, and God bless you all. Guys, let's go and I show you the place. Yeah, so guys, keep coming with me. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. It's a very nice place. Just going around showing you places. Yeah, so we are nearing that place. I want to show you beautiful nature. I want to show you the work of God's hands. Yes, and for my subscribers are really amazing. I love you all. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always supporting my mentor, my boss D Mango. Thank you for supporting our family at large. Yep, guys, I'm glad and I'm very grateful for all you do to us. The place is so cool. The place is so quiet. It's in the forest, but you can see there's some homestead, and the sunset is over there. It's in the evening, guys. Here in Kenya, it is in the evening. It's a plantain. Somebody cut this guava. Don't know why. Very big trees here, guys. If you are new here, guys, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Show some love, like the video, and comment what you think about the video. Comment what you think about the video, guys. Thank you for always supporting me. So guys, we are going to the other end. The waterfall is over there. Now you can see the kids. Yeah, so guys, we are going to go this way so that we can cross the river. Somebody are doing Power sawing. I don't know, it's power sawing. Making timbers. Making timber. It's in the forest, guys. I want to show you nature, beautiful nature today. You can see some people build very nice houses over there. Very nice, very amazing. They have built very good, nice houses. It seems it's a family. Yeah, it's a family, guys. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Don't forget to hit the like button to subscribe, guys. This forest is a bit scary, but we are going to be going forward. This is the water that is coming from that waterfall. Let's see how it looks like. Somebody has planted some green vegetables here. Some beans. We have managu here, guys. Beautiful nature, beautiful nature. Guys, finally we are here. We are here at this river. Yes, where you can come at some point, relax your mind. And you feel you have a lot in your mind. Yep. You can see I can see someone over there who is feeling relaxed. That is the waterfall, guys, I was talking about. See someone, people are up there. But it seems the water is not more the way it used to be. The water has gone down. It was a lot of water used to come from the top there, guys, but now it seems like it has reduced due to maybe the summer season. There's no rain. The water is small. The water is less. If you search in here, you can find fish, guys. You can find some beautiful fish. It's a very cool place. Very nice place. See the big stone. This is the big forest, guys. The forest is so big. The waterfall is amazing. You can come here, relax. when you want to relieve your mind a little bit when you're tired. And maybe you can do river bathing. River bathing can be done here. Since the water is so clean. It's so clean and fresh. The water is so clean and fresh. Guys, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you this river right here, which it was a very nice waterfall. Me growing when I was growing up, I used to see it. It's back in our village, guys. So I thought it is still right as it was, but it's been amazing, guys. So for my beautiful subscribers, I really appreciate you for what you do to me. I'm really grateful. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. And for those who are new here in this channel, consider subscribing, guys. Consider subscribing. Leave a like, comment what you think about the video. Consider subscribing and consider supporting each and other. Keep supporting the YouTubers, the growing YouTubers from the village. Yeah, keep supporting them. Unless there are those who are negativity. Yeah, so negativity shall not be supported, because it's not good to be negative. We need positivity and good vibes so that we can be growing bigger and bigger every day. Big shout out to D Mwango for always considering to support me. You helped me big time. Big shout out to I Am Marwa. I was happy to meet you, and Lynn Gugi the other day. Big shout out to David Jr. Big shout out to all Nyaboanse YouTubers for accepting me in your village, and I was so very, very, very glad to meet you guys. So we are done here. Maybe we can go back slowly. Guys. The place is so beautiful. The place is so nice. The place is so nice. Oh my God. Yeah. So they say if you wanna be the how can I call it? If you wanna be a good person, inspire other people, help where you can, support each other, and be positive, dream big, be kind, smile, put smiles on other people's faces like our boss Marwa is doing. That's why you see God blessing him abundantly. God blessing him day in, day out. God never stops blessing Marwa, because Marwa never stops blessing others and inspiring others. I know some people have met Marwa. There are some many more who have not met him, but they are inspired by him. That's amazing work that Big Boss Marwa is doing. We are really grateful for whatever he has done to the world. I can't say only the village, to the world. He's making people smile, inspiring people, and all that. So guys, thank you for always coming to watch my videos. You have someone having very nice kales right there. Kales, skuma wiki. Yeah. So it's been an amazing journey. Thank you all. Yeah. So guys, I think that's our video for today. I'm going to end it right there, because it's like getting late, and I'm a little bit a far distance from home, and I'll be going by trekking, by footing. So, and when it gets late in the village, it might be dangerous. So I'm going to end my video right there, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe for more beautiful videos. Yeah, subscribe for more good videos. Yeah, we are growing bigger and bigger. We are getting the experience, we are getting the motivation. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Subscribe to me, guys. Thank you for always supporting me. My subscribers, I really don't take you for granted. God bless you a lot. God bless you big time. May you never lack. May you never lack. May you live long, even live forever. Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Good people. Bye.